Hi, welcome back to social science class. I am your Naveen, grade 10 social science teacher. Today's class, in previous class, we were discussing about agriculture. In that, we have learned things like meaning of agriculture, different types of farming, and food crops we have learned there. In today's class, we are going to talk you here other than food crops, other than grains we are talking. So in that first one, I'm going to take regarding sugar cane. What is the sugar cane? Yeah, we know very well the sugar cane. For example, in Karnataka, Mandya is very famous for its production of sugar cane, right? And the seasons like when we are saying the January, February, and all, we used to have sugarcane juice also. So to grow sugarcane, what are the necessary things and all those things we are going to learn here. So sugarcane is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop, we can say, and it grows well in humid climate. The climate should be very humid in here, and it requires temperature between the 21 degrees Celsius to the 27 degrees Celsius, and it requires rainfall between 75 to 100 centimeter, and irrigation is required where we are getting very low rainfall, the low rainfall area. It requires irrigation facility, and it is main sources of sugar, that is gur, that is a jaggery, kandasari, and molasses. So other than that, India is the second largest producer of sugarcane, only after Brazil. Brazil getting the first. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. Next one, oil seeds. So, according to the survey of 2015, India was the second largest producer of groundnut. Now, I have taken here the groundnut. That is, we were the second largest producer of the groundnut in the 2015. The first place was occupied by the China. Now, it is a replaced production of India, the third largest producer. That is the Canada, and China was the rapeseed. What are the rapeseed production in India was we are in the third largest producer. First place goes to Canada, second place goes to China. In the year of 2015 we are talking, and different oil seeds are grown in the approximately 12% of the total crop. What are the we are cropping in the country? In the 12% oil seeds, different types of oil seeds we are growing in our. The main oil seeds produced in India, which are the main things, means that is we can call as a groundnut, mustard, coconut, sesame, soya bean, castor seed, cotton seeds, linseeds, and sunflower. Most of the what are the oil seeds? All seeds are edible. It is used for cooking, and sometimes cooking medium we are using. Some of these also used as a raw material. The oil seeds they are using as a raw material for the production of soap, cosmetic, and other than that we can call as ointments. That is a thing when we are saying oil seeds. The majorly we are using for the purpose of we can say as a cooking purpose. Other than that cooking purpose, we used it for the purpose of what we can call, other than the food, we are using it for production or the raw material for the production of soap, cosmetic, and ointment also. So next main topic is tea. Tea, it was India in the 2015. India was second largest producer of tea after China. After the China is the largest producer of tea in the world. The second place goes to 2000. Second place it was India, according to the survey of 2015. The tea plant grows well in tropical and subtropical climates and endowed with the deep and fertile, well drained soil, which soil is rich in humus and organic matter. It requires what are the tea we are calling. It requires more organic matters and requires a well drained soil, which soil is very rich in the humus and organic, and it requires warm and most free moist free climate all through the year. So for cultivation of tea, labor intensive industry, it requires more labor, because you know it is a tea estate. To work in that we have to pluck tea leaves and all those things. It requires the labor. We can mainly call as a labor intensive industry. It requires abundant, cheap and skilled labor. Many migrant workers are working under the tree here. The cultivation is an example for the, it is a, what are the tea cultivation, it is an example for plantation agriculture. It is also important of beverage crop. It is, we are calling as a beverage crop. Introduced, actually that tea was not from the India basically. It was from a British, the introduced initially by the British. Major producing states: Assam, hills of Darjeeling, and West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and in Karnataka. So we can see, for example, we can see in Sakleshpur, that region, majorly they are producing. And the good quality, the India will be the, that is, it is known for its good quality, that is coffee. Indian coffee is known for the world for its good quality. Good quality of coffee is available in India. It is known for a world. The Arabica variety, initially we have brought the Arabica variety from Yemen, that is Yemen, produced in the country. Initially it is cultivation was introduced in Karnataka, that is Babu Budan Hills, even though it is famous Babu Budanagiri Hills. Even today cultivation is confirmed to the Nilgiris in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other than this, we used to have crop other than plantation crop or commercial crop. We are growing many things like vegetables, and fruits and all those things, right? So that is what are the growing of fruits and vegetable that lies under horticulture crops. In 2015, India was the second producer of fruits and vegetable. And why India is, it requires tropical as well as temperate, both it requires. India is a producer of tropical as well as temperate fruits. Sorry, here India is producing tropical and as well as the temperate fruits we are producing. Mangoes, for example, I can tell here, mangoes of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. The mango is very famous in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Oranges of Nagpur and Chirapunji, that one. Bananas, which we produce in Kerala, Mizoram, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Lychee and Goa of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and pineapples of Meghalaya. Grapes of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra. Apples, pears and walnuts of Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. It is a very good, having a very good demand in out of Karnataka, sorry, out of India also. This is about the horticulture. India is an important producer of pea, cauliflower, onion, cabbage, tomato, brinjal and potato. This is about the class, whatever the other than the food crops, that is food crops other than grains we use, that is a sugar cane, oil seeds, tea, coffee and horticultural crops. In the upcoming class, other than food crops, we are going to see, that is rubber and fiber crops and sericulture. And we used to have a class on technological and constitutional reforms, that is Bhudan and Gramdan. Thank you for watching video. Stay tuned to GJS. Have a great day ahead.